Today we're gonna show you how Kreosan team creates videos for this channel, starting from ideas, what we use to film videos, and how much it costs. Well, and we're gonna show you how we'll live out there. I can bet that you want to know how Kreosan lives in reality. So let's go, guys! Room tour from Kreosan. There I edit the videos. On this Asus laptop. It is humming and stumming all the time. Hardly works out its last days. It's lagging, but I can still edit the videos. There's a little recreation zone, and there is my recreation zone. And there's the soldering zone. Look how much scrap you've got. A voltage tester, and the second one. Some parts from power supplies. A bunch of soldering irons. And this is my room. I filmed there as well. And there are the soft boxes. Let's take a look at the tools we use for filming. The main camera, Panasonic. Actually, you're checking its quality right now, because we are filming using the same model. It has nice zooming and cheap price. The second optional cam is Sony action camera. It is a nice cam. Maybe it is one of the best cameras of our times. Its core advantage is nice stabilization, so I can check it hard, but the footage will be always okay. It also has a nice microphone. We have made a little modification. Take a look at this beard. That is the wind protection. Another modification is this frame. Let me show you. Now it's nude, see? And this one is glare protection. A nice image requires proper lighting, and we've got some self-made accent lighting, made of LED strip light. There are plenty of them, as you see. There are self-made resistors, we've made of wire, and lithium batteries. As a result, we can adjust the power of light like this, more or less, and that's beneficial for quality. Sometimes we use these buttonhole microphones for better sound. This one is cheap, about $2, and this one is cooler. It's Boya. Actually, both of them can record pretty nice. Let me show you a simple voice recorder. I take an old phone and a buttonhole microphone. Then I attach it here and put the phone in the pocket. And we've got a voice recorder. We can't live without it. It's the tripod. This is a usual one. And that one is cooler. I've got it recently from AliExpress. There's a selfie stick. Oh my, it's so large. And there is a lock here. I press on it, and this selfie stick turns into a tripod. And now we can place it on the ground. Fasten the cam and we can film. The quality turned out to be good, despite of I ordered it on AliExpress. People keep asking me about where do I get ideas from. Well, the ideas kinda just come to my mind themselves. And we often listen to what our viewers want us to do. So if you have a nice idea and you would like it to be implemented, and you can't do it yourself, you really should tell us about it, and maybe we'll try to make it real. Now we have come to the hardest part about creating videos. Video editing. This may seem easy at first, just sit and cut video, that's it. But this ain't easy. Take a look. This is just one episode, with Granny Masha, that lives in the Chernobyl zone. First we filmed the original material, I mean all the material we filmed, and at first it looks extremely boring, and done without proper editing. So I have to select the cuts, the moments that will be in the video, first step. But that is not all, the sound is always edited separately from the video. So I have to cut out every single phrase and words. Next I should assemble it all, so that it makes sense. First goes the intro, next is the main part, and so on. But in reality we film constantly, in live mode, just like it goes. We can be distracted sometimes, switching to different things, so the original material is chaotic, no plot. If we lack anything, we have to make some additional filming, or tell something using background voice, and so on. Let's go further. It's the hallway, and some stuff for the new video. And that is our kitchen. There are some local delicatessen, pita bread with spices, and some sour cream. That's really tasty, enough to fill the stomach. Hi guys! Oh, that's the new microwave for the experiments. And this is our radio-controlled rickshaw taxi. When we went to Pripyat, we have abandoned this project, just left it. Would you like to see this project to be completed? A remotely controlled electric rickshaw taxi via internet. A really unmanned electric taxi with a sofa. Do you like it? What do we see there? Lots of matches. These are from cancelled experiment. The washing machine bike. There it is, still kicking. It is even charged, so we can ride on it right now. And there's the motor for the boat that we used. And there's the boat itself, having rest. There are lots of microwave transformers for the new video. Yes, there will be a video with them. Don't miss it, guys. And the snow bike, there it is. And there is the 1 million volt generator in a secret stash, a high voltage monster. And this rocket, maybe you can tell me what was it for. And now let us visit our main mechanic, Lord Stas. Let's peek inside our future projects with me. Hello everyone, well, finally we are at my place. I'm going to show you how I live. And what do? Come in, comrades. Look at this poor guy. A buggy, it is not finished yet. And there is something cool, let me show you. Hello, Sultan. Don't come close, or he's gonna chew your cam. Oh, a scooter. Does it have brakes? Sure it has, see. So you wanna turn it on? No, it is not finished yet. It is waiting for its turn. But I wanna show you. Now I remember, its wheel has been bent. No, it's fixed. There are some... Oh my, look at this pedal. Its motor has been broken. Now I have found another one. Now it works just perfect. It goes with crazy speed. You won't believe it. It is our moped. We use it sometimes. Oh my gosh. Oh, you haven't seen that? No, we haven't. Oh yeah, you have come to Chernobyl and... Dude, that is awesome. Looks super cool. Nice muffler. And you told us there is nothing to show us. Oh well, I just forgot you haven't seen this one. Let's go to the next one. Was is not interesting. What Yeah, I make something like this now. Sometimes, when I'm bored. Oh my gosh. It lacks another pair of legs. Well, what is next? Next I've got a garden. The barn, it's a mess there, I suppose. I still keep here a bike you used to go to Crimea. It is not even disassembled completely. Where is it? There it is. I think our viewers now feel pain from seeing this. It looks like a nightclub. Oh, there's our helmet, still hanging there. Yeah, this place is like a museum, you know. We've got here all we filmed. Yeah, there's even an old part from a snow bike, imagine that. Come visit Kreosan museum. But this place is too messy. Well, whatever. Let's go, guys. Let's move. Hey, show us a cultivator. There it is. Still. Have you improved it? Yeah. Now it has 2 shovels. Only one thing lack, the motor. There's the motor. I use here a motor from a chainsaw, don't you remember? I can set it here and back. You've got a tiny garden. It's normal garden, come on. I have big greenhouses. There's some firewood in one of them. Usually there are hens. For now there is firewood. So we're keeping them dry like this. Yeah, kinda. I was given a Zaporozhets. A Zaporozhets? Was it a gift from a subscriber? Yeah. So there it is. Right. Holy moly, guys, it's a 30. Look at it. There's a sofa. Pity it has no rear window. No side windows too. And look at the roof, guys. They jumped on it. We're fixing it? Yeah. And its hood was all bad. Torn off. 5 more minutes, guys, and I will get up, I swear. Hey, where is the motor? No engine. It was stolen. Look, guys, no motor. But how it goes without it? I see in the comments now. It is the Zaporozhets, stupid. And it doesn't have a motor? Did you know that the Zaporozhets have no motor? I didn't. Oh my gosh, this battery is so heavy. It's so fat. Street magic. Will it light up or not? No way, it's gonna fade. Keep it away from the car. It's gonna fade. Yeah, you're right. And people keep saying, no smoking at the petrol station. He just put it in the benzene. Stas is getting some petrol. It doesn't go without it. Now we're gonna fill these Zaporozhets and we're gonna drift on it. Go round and have fun. A hose? Is it a petrol tank? He's pumping the fuel. Is it a petrol tank? Oh my gosh, he's gonna use 1.5 liter bottle as a petrol tank. Guys, it's just a car for going round, so to say. I just sat here 1.5 and go, using it just for fun. So that is a car for leisure and relaxation. No regrets breaking it. So let's try to start it. Okay. Oh, I feel no clutch. Alright. There we go. It is like in gun for 60 seconds. Oh my gosh. Oh really? That was a fast start. There are no brakes, isn't it? There are some. Really? All's here. Do you mean your leg? Oh my gosh. We have no clutch. Can we try starting on the first gear? It is supposed to go anyway. All's good? Yeah, all's well. So we're gonna try in the first gear. Yeah, let's try. Stand back, Anton. It's going to be hard. Now we're gonna learn how to go without clutch, guys. Really? Really? The Zaporozhets is a real thing. There we go. I can feel the adrenaline now. Oh my, don't do it yourself, guys, please. The Zaporozhets is a very dangerous vehicle, you know. Holy moly.
Капец.
Enough. That was hard, dude. I've got the charge now. But you guys never try these things yourself. We are pros, so we can do it. I want our subscribers to suggest some new ideas that we could implement and make them real. Write in the comments if you're interested, and we will make real the most daring ideas. And now, guys, we're going to Anton's place. Now we're gonna see how he lives. I'm walking with a navigator, Anton has given me the coordinates, but I feel like I'm going somewhere else, in the wilds. Holy moly, guys! There is a forest stream. So Anton was joking on me, or maybe he gave me this route in purpose. Well, I'm coming out of woods, and there's really a village. The navigator shows me this way. Looks like this giant house belongs to Anton. It is rather a castle, not a house. Come in, guys. Oh, hello guys, let's go for a little excursion, maybe. As you see, this hallway is not that impressive. We have got this case compartment just recently. There we're going to draw some awesome painting. I've got only one fuse box for the entire house. And now look at Anton's fuse box. You know, I have got not that many as you might have, guys, so it's a trifle. Let's go on and visit the guest room. And now Alex lives in this room. A kitty. There are my things, a bag, as you see, a smartphone. That's because tomorrow morning we're going to India to film some fantastic content. By the way, there is my exercise machine. I always set the max speed and squeeze all I have out of me. Let's go with me now. That is our toilet.
Wow.
A shower. Let's go to the hall. A small hall. Yes, there are our things, but come on, we're at home and getting ready for the trip tomorrow. It's a usual TV set. It has a nice sound system. You know that, to feel the atmosphere better while watching. That's it. There is our kitchen. And yes, I need stairs to get something from over here, to reach here. And we have got a powerful dishwasher. I see it for the first time. And does it dry the dishes too? Yeah, it does all the stuff, you know. It washes, disinfects, and then dries. That is our fridge. The most important thing, yeah. I've got just the same, because both of us have bought it at Elbrus trip. If you know that we have been there, smash likes. What's inside? Just a regular set of food. It's a mess though. There are some pickles, cans and Uzbek plov, by the way. And I've got these delicatessen. And there is the freezer. Yeah, I got it. Yeah, frozen meat, mushrooms, crab sticks and so on. Welcome to my patio. I haven't been there yet. Yeah. We have rest here in summer and have supper here in summer. We've got lots of guests. Write in the comments, please, how we can make this roof better. What should we use to cover it, to make it warmer, more cool and awesome. So guys, please write your suggestions, and with your advice, we'll do it. There are some futuristic torches. Yeah, LED light. Well guys, we have done with the first floor. Now let's go and see the second floor. So let's start from the second toilet, maybe. There's a superstition, if you don't close the cover, you will have no money. Let's move and see. This. That is sister's room of my wife. Everything here is in girl style. All's cute and kawaii. There she sits, combs her hair, uses makeup, and films TikTok videos. Our sis plays guitar. Yeah. Show us your room, Anton. There I sleep, have rest and work. I did it like in Heads and Tails show. I've got a nice microphone and headphones, and an awesome computer of the 3rd generation. The graphic card is GeForce 760, and there's a gift from one dude. I've got it while we were going to Chernobyl, but where exactly it happened? Write in the comments. There's a dry ration. I've got it from Kazakhstan. I'm going to take it to India and try to feed the people living there, and check out their reaction, and test their food culture as well. There is our wardrobe.
Wow.
So much space. I've got a branded jacket, guys, Stalker style. These jackets were given us by the guys from Kiev. The company name is Dark Side. If you want these jackets, find these dudes and order it, and they will make these awesome Stalker jackets for you. Oh, I forgot about one more room. Let's go. If you really want to see this room and what is inside of it, go to my Instagram profile. It's blogger41. I'm gonna show you in my profile what's in there. Alright friends, let's go to the basement. Go there carefully, the staircase is steep. Your basement is really different from mine. It looks like a place we can live. We would never make a swimming pool here. Oh my, I've got so many jars, holy moly! Yeah, let me show you a jar life hack. Check it out. How and why does this happen? Funny. Did you know about it, guys? There's a house gas boiler. There's also a pump, it dries water inside of the house. And there are 3 powerful water filters. They're enough for a couple of months. Aha, now I see. Actually, these stairs is classical for America. Let's go, Alex. It is the last room. Ouch, I almost fell down. That is our attic space. Check out its size. Yeah, let me show you guys. I can run here freely. We can even play football here and do anything we want. Let's go outside. I'd like you to meet my another best friend.
Kiku!
Come here. There she goes. Come here, come. Aha, and now you're her friend already. Dance. Good job. She really wants it. Okay, here you go. Let me show you where she lives. We've made a little dog cabin. She wants some more cheese. And the garden. We have got a greenhouse to grow cucumbers in summer. What most you'd like to see in our videos? Some crafts with stars, electricity and microwave experiments, or maybe the crazy Chernobyl adventures. Write us about it, and we will make it.